Good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine. I hope so. Okay. So take your accountancy textbook and notebook with you. And yesterday it was just we will have a recap that we have studied on yesterday. Okay. Yesterday we learned the same interest on drawings only, but the average method. Not the average method, the direct method. Isn't it? We have learned there are three methods. Direct method, then this product method that we are going to learn today, and the next one average method. Okay, average period method. So what is that direct method? What we have studied? Simply, okay, amount of drawings, yesterday what we have studied, okay, amount of drawings, rate of interest divided by 100 into period. Okay, simply if it is one day only he has withdrawn, we will do within one calculation. But on different days, if he has withdrawn, then we need to calculate for the period. Each period, then we need to add and add. Okay, these two that type of problems only we have seen yesterday. Today we will learn interest on drawings, that through product method. Product means not that commerce, product, produce. Okay, this one in maths, product. What is product? Meaning multiplication. So here we are going to multiply something. Okay. Here what we are going to do in this product method means that yesterday we have seen one problem, isn't it? On different days, if they have withdrawn, we have to multiply the months with the amount of drawings. Okay, we will get the product. Then we will add all those products, that is sum of product. That will be the amount withdrawn. Then into rate by 100 into that average period. Okay. That one we have to take, if we multiply that amount by that months, then we need to take for 1 month, 1 by 12. If they are calculating for the number of days, then they have to divide that one by the number of days in that year. Okay, that means 1 by 365 or 1 by 366. Okay, as per the number of days in that particular year. Okay, students. So, we will understand very clearly when we do this illustration. Okay. I will read the problem. Anbu is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he drew as follows. March 1, 6,000, June 1, September 1, December 1. You see, the same method only that we have learnt in the direct method, isn't it? The same way. That same problem also we can use. We can calculate the amount of drawings or that interest on drawings with the help of this product method. Okay. Here only one problem is given. If you need to check, we can do that one also. Okay. I will show. Now 2 more columns only we need to draw. Okay, therefore last column for product. Then number of months. Okay. Then amount he has withdrawn. Then date of drawings. So totally 4 columns we need to draw. We need to write. Okay, first number. Illustration 15. Okay, that's very important. Then calculation of interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Under product method. Under product method. First one, that date of drawings. Then amount withdrawn. Okay. Then period up to the end of the accounting period. Here the accounting period they have given ended 31st December. Okay. To calculate the number of months this is needed. Then the product. Product means here this amount will be multiplied by the number of months. Okay. First date when he is withdrawing March 1. Amount is rupees. You write rupees. Here also rupees. 6,000. Isn't it? Period we need to calculate. So from March to December there will be 10 months. Then what is the product? 10 into 60? 60,000. Okay. Then June 1. June 1. He has withdrawn 4,000. So total number of months from June onwards 7. So 7 into 4 28. 28,000. Then next date September 1. That day he is withdrawing 5,000. Then September, how many months? September, October, November, December, 4 months. Okay, then 20,000. Then December 1, 2,000. How many months? Only 1. So 2,000 right below this 0. Okay, not below this 2. Now we should add the sum of product. Sum of product. Okay, sum of product we need to add. 1, 2, 3, 8 plus 2, 10, balance 1, 3, 5, 11. So 1,10,000. Okay, now we need to calculate the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equal to, write the formula. Okay, sum of product. There we will write the amount of drawings, isn't it? Here we should write sum of product. Sum of product into rate of interest into here 1 by 12. We are calculating for average. Okay, that means since we have multiplied this one by month, we need to write here 1 by 12. Okay, for 1 month only we need to calculate. Okay. If we multiply by the number of days, then we need to write here 365 or 366. That is 2018. How many months it has? How many days it has? 365. But here we are multiplying that one by the number of months. What is the sum of product? 1,10,000 into rate of interest given in the problem 12 by 100 into 1 by 12. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 12. Okay, so 1,100. That is the answer. Rupees 1,100. Understood, students? Once again, I will explain this one. Calculation of interest on drawings under product method. You should be very careful which method they have asked. If it is direct method, nothing to worry, isn't it? That as we have done yesterday, for each day we need to calculate the number of days, number of months. for each day that he has withdrawn. Only for each one we will have to do the calculation. I think this is little bit easy, isn't it? There we need to do 6,000 into number of months divided by 12 into rate of interest 12 by 100. Okay, that way we did, and we have calculated the total. We added all the interest and we wrote total amount of interest. But here, product method, we have to find out the product, that we should multiply the number of month into the amount he has withdrawn. Okay, that is what. Then after adding that sum of product, we should write the formula as interest on drawings is equal to sum of product into rate of interest into 1 by 2. Sum of product, this one we need to write. Okay, then into 12 by 100 into 1 by 2. Understood, students? Okay, only one problem they have given. Okay, shall I do one problem, that 14th illustration by this method? Okay, to make you understand. Not 14th one, 13th one. 13th one we will see. Okay, just to make you understand little more clear. Okay, Arul is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12%. During the year ended 31st December, he drew as follows: March 1, June 1, September 1, December 1. Amount interest on drawings. Okay, calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Now we will calculate for the under the product method, just for a check. Okay. Product, then number of months, amount he has withdrawn, then date of drawings, isn't it? That one, illustration 13. Okay, just we will do once, because only one illustration is given. I am doing this one also. You do not need to do this one. Okay, just listen. Once again I will explain. Calculation of interest on drawings. Under product method. We will check whether we get the same interest on drawings. Okay, whether we get different one. Here, the date of drawings, amount of drawings, months, period, product. Product rupees, amount also rupees. Isn't it? First day he is withdrawing March 1. How many month? Here amount 3,000. Same 10 month, isn't it? From March to December. So 30,000. Then June 1. It's all 3,000 only, isn't it? Here 7 months. 21,000. Then September 1, 3,000. Then 4 month, 12,000. Then December 1, 3,000. 3,000. We will find out the sum of product. Sum of product. How much? 3056. Then 5 plus 1 6, 66,000. Okay, now the interest on drawings. interest on drawings is equal to sum of product into rate by 100 into period, isn't it? 1 by 12. So sum of product how much? 66,000 into rate. Here rate, what is the rate? 12 by 100. Okay, 12 by 100 into 1 by 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 12, 12. So 660. See, the same only they have got. Okay. Under that direct method and product method, we get the same interest. So we can calculate. I think here this is, the calculation is very easy. Okay. So we have different method to calculate the interest on drawings. First one, direct method. This one is the product method. Now we will see the next method. Okay. Now the average period method. Okay, average period method. Average period method. So you must be very careful about this three methods. Okay, students. First one, direct method. Simply to calculate the number of months they have to pay the interest. That means amount of drawings into period divided by into rate of interest, that rate by 100 into period, isn't it? But in the product method, sum of product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. We never calculate that for days. Okay, so into 1 by 12. Now you listen to this one. Average period method. Okay, here the partners will withdraw the amount. Okay, withdrawings the partners can take at fixed amount. Okay, same amount and fixed intervals. Okay, fixed intervals. This one we can divide it into 3. Either that partner can withdraw the amount every month. Okay, here every month also, maybe at the beginning of every month, or in the middle of every month, or at the end of every month. Okay, then quarterly, they can withdraw quarterly. Quarterly means here every month, 1 month, isn't it? Here for every 3 months, quarterly means the whole year is divided by 4. Then how many months we will get? 3 months. This also at the beginning of every quarterly month, that quarterly, or in the middle of that quarterly, or at the end of that quarterly. Understood? At the beginning of quarterly means, here you know, isn't it? Maybe the date 1 of January, then date 1 of February, like that. Okay, beginning. Middle means all the 15th. Okay, here the first day. Okay, just to make you understand. Okay, here may be the 15th day. Here may be the last day, either 30 or 31 or 28 or 29 at the end of each month. Okay, then quarterly means it starts first, isn't it? First day. Here, first day of what are the month? Quarterly means January 1. Then, after 3 months, isn't it? January, February, March. Then, April, he will withdraw. Then after April, May, June, then July, August, September, then October. So 4 months he will withdraw. Okay. In this 4 months he will withdraw on the first day. Then all this 15th day, middle, January 15th, April 15th, July 15th, October 15th. Okay. Then end of that one, January end, end of that, not quarterly, this one, that not 15th day, okay, day we may not calculate. He will withdraw in the middle of that quarter. What is the middle of that quarter? January, February, March. So he will withdraw this one here, February. Then after February, again 3 months after, isn't it? And February, March, April. Then May he will withdraw. Understand? Like that. Then end. When this quarterly is ending, January, February, March. So he will withdraw March. Then after March, then January, March, then April, May, June. Then he will withdraw June at the end of the quarterly. Okay? Have you understood? No need of these days, just to make you understand. Okay? Then the third time when he is withdrawing, off early. 3 times they are allowed to withdraw. Okay, here also beginning, middle and end. Off early when it is starting, the first off early, that July, isn't it? Okay, June, no, beginning, no, first quarterly, beginning, January. Then second quarterly when it is starting, June. These 2 months he will withdraw. Then middle, when April, first quarterly. Second one, June, July, August, so September. Okay, end, he will withdraw first end June. It will end, isn't it? Then December. Second half early ends in December. Okay, just to make you understand, I have explained this one. Leave as it is. Now we need to calculate the number of months. It is that average period. Okay, here first we will learn the formula, how we should calculate the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equal to total amount of drawing. Here total amount of drawings. So if he has withdrawn, we need to multiply monthly. If he is withdrawing monthly, every month beginning, so that per month they will give. Okay, so if it is 500 per month, 500 into 12 you have to multiply. Okay, then rate of interest by 100. Then here one calculation is there. This is what important. Okay, average period divided by 12. Average period divided by 12. Okay, here we are going to calculate the average period. Okay, average period we need to calculate. Okay, that number of months from the date, the first withdrawal to the end of the withdrawal. That is the formula, average period. To calculate the average means divided by 2, isn't it? Average period, number of months from the date of withdrawal to the end of the year plus divided by plus number of month from the date of last withdrawal. This one, the first withdrawal. Okay, last withdrawal to the end of the year divided by 2. For example, if he is withdrawing January 1, okay, beginning of every month, how many months we will get till the end of the year? Number of month 12, isn't it? Then the last withdrawal which day? December 1. So there 1 we will get, isn't it? Then divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2 we will get 6.5. Okay, 6.5 month. Understood now? So for the first withdrawal he has to pay for the 12 month. Then the last withdrawal he has to pay 1 month. So average we need to take. So 12 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this one we do not need to calculate for each and everything. It will be a big calculation. So we will have one. To find out this average period, we have a shortcut method. Okay, students, I will explain that one. Then you will understand that one. Okay, just you have to remember, because 3 ways a partner can withdraw money, isn't it? Every month, quarterly, half-yearly. That one also beginning, middle, end. We will put one table and we will learn that one shortcut method. How to find out the average period. Okay, students? I will draw one card for 3 months. One, two, three. Okay, here time interval. Okay, withdrawal of time interval, maybe monthly, then quarterly, then half yearly. Okay, now time of withdrawal. Okay, maybe at the beginning, here in the middle of the period, here end of the period. Okay, then middle, you remember average period is 6. Okay, 6. Here for monthly, how many months is there? 1 month, isn't it? Half of this one is what? Half of this one is 0.5. Okay, 0.5. You have to, for beginning, you have to add this 0.5 with this one. Okay, beginning. Because he is paying little more, isn't it? So 6.5, 6.5. Then here you have to add this one. Okay, here we need to subtract that number. Minus 5, 5.5. That's all. Quarterly, how many months it is? 3, isn't it? 3 divided by 2, how much? 1.5. So add this one here. 6 plus 1.5, 7.5. Here you subtract, we will get 4.5. Isn't it? Half yearly means how many months? 6. Divided by 2, 3 months. So add 3 months with the 6, we will get 9. Isn't it? Then subtract 3 from 6, 3. Have you understood this table? For this average period, to calculate average period for average period method. Okay, for average period method, this one you have to keep in your mind. Okay, students should not forget. For even if it is monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, think this middle one. 6 by 12. When we find out average period by 12, isn't it? That average period 6 by 12. 6 by 12, 6 by 12. If it is quarterly, half-yearly, each one is having one problem also. Okay, you will understand that. Then, if it is monthly, that month divided by 2, 0.5, you have to add here, beginning, end we need to subtract from here. Okay, here 6 plus 5, 6.5. If you deduct that 0.5, 5.5 we will get. For quarterly, that consists of 3 months, divided by 2, 1.5. Add 1.5 with the 6, 7.5. If you subtract 1.5 from 6, we will get 4.5. Okay. For half-yearly, how many months are there? 6 months. When we take the average, we will get 3. That one you add with this 6, we will get 7. When you subtract that 3 from 6, we will get 3. Okay, students? Now, with this one, shall we go to the next illustration? One illustration we will see today. Okay. Illustration 16. I will read that one. Okay. John is a partner in a firm. He withdraws 1,000 per month regularly. Interest on drawings is charged at 5% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawings using average method. Okay, average method. Here, if he draws at the beginning of every month, in the middle of every month, at the end of every month. Okay, that is what they have given. So, at the beginning of every month. So, here only monthly they have taken, isn't it? For month, we need to add for beginning 0.5. So, 6.5. Middle, 6 by 12. Then for the end, 5.5 by 12. That's all. Okay. So, what is the formula for this one? So, first one, at the beginning of every month. That heading we have to write. That's the question, isn't it? At the beginning of every month. Now, we will write first the average period. Otherwise, no need. Okay, you directly write interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equal to formula you write. Total amount of drawings. Drawings into rate by 100 into average period by 12. Okay, total amount of drawings, what is given? 1,000 per month. Okay, should not forget 1,000 per month. So, we have that PM per month. Okay, don't forget, don't take 1,000. 1,000 per month means yearly how much? 1,000 into 12, 12,000. Rate how much given? 5 by 100. Now, average period at the beginning of every month. So, how much we will get? 6 plus 5, isn't it? 0.5. So, 6.5 by 12. So, we have to simplify. Okay, here 12, 1, here 12, 1, 0, 10. Okay, now 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, then 1 0 there, add here. Into 10 means we have to add this 0. Now, 1 point digital is there, isn't it? So, right hand side you keep 1 point. So, how much we are getting? Rupees 325. Okay, you see now the second one. In the middle of every month. In the middle of every month. For middle it will be easy, isn't it? Again you have interest on drawings. For each and everything you should write the formula. Okay. Total amount of drawings you have to write fully. Okay. Then rate by 100. Average period by 12. Okay. Total amount we have calculated already. 12,000 into 5 by 100 into here for the middle average period 6 by 12. 1 0 2 zeros, then here 12, here 12, 1 10. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 10, 300. Okay, so 300 rupees. Okay, then at the end of every month, at the end of every month, third one. The end of every month. Interest on drawings equal to total amount of drawings into rate by 100, average period by 12. Okay, total amount 12,000 into 5 by 100 into average period. Now 6 minus 0.5. So 5.5 by 12. Same calculation. Okay, 12, 1, 10. Okay, now here 55 into 5. 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. Okay, then 10. We need to add 0. Then 1 point. So you keep point. So what is the rupees? 275. Understood, students? Okay. I think you might have understood this one. That table only you have to learn. Now I will tell you the homework that you have to do. Okay, the same illustrations, same exercises we have to do. Up to 13th, 14th we have completed, isn't it, yesterday? So today 15, which method? Product method. Okay, product method, the same model only, the same month also, no, different. Okay, month is little different. You calculate the number of months correctly. Then this one, 15 and 16 alone you have to do. Okay, this two I have not explained to you. By that one we will complete this calculation of interest on drawings. Okay, students, you do this these two problems alone. Okay, thank you, students. We will meet after the 1 week holidays. That time you are given that home test. Okay, the first 2 chapters study well and do that test sincerely. Okay, either you can ask the parents to correct, or you yourself can correct, or if you need me to correct, you send the papers to the school. Okay, students, you do it sincerely. Okay, thank you very much.